Hey guys, John here from Diode Dynamics. Today we're excited to introduce our brand new SS3 Fog Light Kit for the 2019 and up Chevy Silverado 1500. This kit also fits the 2020 and up 2500 and 3500 HD. Now it's important to note this kit does not fit the Chevy Silverado 1500 LD. Now on that note, we can get started. For this installation, you'll need a 7mm socket, a 5/32 Allen key, and a small flathead screwdriver. To start our installation, we'll remove the factory fog light harness. To remove the plastic clip, we'll take our small flathead screwdriver, apply pressure to the top, and this will release it from the factory fog lamp housing. Now that we've removed our factory fog lamp harness, we're going to take our 7mm socket and remove the 3 bolts holding on the fog lamp housing. Coming from outside the vehicle, we'll be taking our SS3 pod and attaching it to the included bracket. We'll take our supplied nut with the nylon lock ring facing the inside and drop it on either side of the pod. We're then going to take our SS3 and slide it up through the front of the bracket and line the holes on the side of our SS3 with the holes on the inside of the bracket. Next, we're going to take our supplied bolts and washers and slide it through the side of the bracket into the SS3. So we'll take our 5/32 Allen key to tighten these down, only hand tight, so we have room for adjustment later. Back underneath the vehicle, we'll be taking our assembly, fishing it underneath the bumper, and then re-securing it with our 7mm bolts. Next, we'll take our included Diode connector and plug it into the back of the SS3. Once that's secure, we'll take the connector and plug it into our factory harness. At this point, we want to test our lights. If they don't turn on, don't worry. Just take this connector, flip it 180 degrees, re-plug it in, and they should turn on just fine. Now that everything's working, we can take our factory fog light harness with the included clip and install it into the back of our new bracket. Once that's secure, if you'd like, you can route the wiring up to our zip tie mounting location and secure everything safely. Coming back outside of the vehicle, we can make our final aiming adjustments. Once we have that aimed in accordance of where we like, we can go back underneath and fasten the 2 5/32 bolts on the side of the bracket. Now that we've finished this side of the vehicle, we can repeat the same steps on the other side of the vehicle to finish up the installation. As you can see with our SS3 Fog Light Kit installed, not only do you have a huge increase in light output over your factory fogs, but you also have a more clean and modern look. If you're interested in an SS3 Fog Light Kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.